Hello everyone, here we start with the topic cost and type of cost. Now what is cost? Cost of producing a good is the sum of actual expenditure on purchase of inputs and expenditure on inputs supplied by the firm itself. यानी कि कितना आपका total expenditure हुआ in processing and in buying inputs and making the things. So total economic cost is equal to explicit cost plus implicit cost plus profit margin. Kindly mention and remember this thing that this formula is really important and it may come as an important question in your exam. So please learn this thing very carefully. Next we are come to types of cost. Like one is explicit cost. These are those cash payments which firms make to outsiders for their services and goods. You should know that explicit cost is the cost for the material or the resources not owned by the producer. Please listen carefully. Explicit cost is the cost for the resources not owned by the producer. Therefore, we give it to the outsiders for their services and goods. Now, second is implicit cost. These are the costs of self-employed or self-owned resources. That means the resources which we own as a producer is known as implicit cost. Now, third is money cost. It refers to the money expenditure incurred on hiring and buying of inputs for producing a given amount of commodity. That means monetary terms में आपने कितना खर्चा किया in buying, hiring, inputs and etc. Fourth, real cost. It refers to the sacrifice, discomfort, toil and pain involved in supplying the factors of production by the owners. For example, मुझे fever था and I was producing something of the monetary amount of 100. Monetary amount, money cost is 100. But it is more than 100 in terms of real cost because I have suffered that discomfort of the fever. So this is the difference between real cost and money cost. Fifth is opportunity cost, as you have done in the unit 1 as well. The opportunity cost of an activity is equal to the value of next best alternative foregone. एक चीज़ बनाने के लिए दूसरी कितनी चीज़ आप sacrifice करोगे, that is your opportunity cost. Sixth, private cost. It refers to the cost incurred by an individual firm in producing a commodity. That means आपने एक firm ने एक चीज़ को produce करने के लिए बाहर private cost कितना bear करा. Last is social cost. It refers to the disadvantage of producing a commodity suffered by the society as a whole. आपके काम करने से society को क्या suffer हुआ या सोसाइटी ने क्या बेयर किया और उसको रिटर्न करने के लिए उसको कॉम्पनसेट करने के लिए विच कॉस्ट यू बोर इज नोन एज सोशल कॉस्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरी फैक्ट्री ने बहुत पोल्यूशन क्रिएट करा, सोसाइटी सफर थ्रू पोल्यूशन एंड उस पोल्यूशन को ठीक करने के लिए मैंने चिमनी के अंदर फिल्टर लगा दिया टू फिल्टर द स्मोक, सो दैट द कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट filter in the chimney is known as social cost, or the things we are doing towards society will be counted into social cost. Now, this is the important topic, difference between explicit cost and implicit cost, and it's really important, so learn the thing properly. The first point says the meaning: cost incurred for the resources not owned by the producer, and implicit cost incurred for the resources owned by the producer, as we have done earlier. Second, in explicit cost, actual money transfer is taking place. आप सच में किसी को पैसे दे रहे हैं, money transfer कर रहे हैं for the resources. But in implicit cost, actual money transfer is not taking place. For example, if I'm using my house as my office, so I might write down rent in my cost books, but I'm actually not transferring the rent to myself every month. So it's kind of hidden thing. आप अपने घर को अपना ऑफिस बना रहे हैं, so it's kind of mixed cost. So this is implicit cost. Explicit, for example, raw material, because you purchase it from outside and you have to actually pay for that. And implicit cost, for example, imputed rent, which we have discussed just now, that using your house as an office and paying that rent which is actually not paid but written in your books. So that is imputed rent. I hope you enjoyed the video by Ridhma Sharma classes. For more videos, visit our website acadhud.com. Next, we are come to types of cost.